Hello guys, welcome to Udemy Making Tech Tips. Today we are going to see that how we can copy files and folders from a Mega Drive link to our own Mega Drive account so that if a Mega Drive link gets deleted, then also we can be having our a backup of all the files. So let's start. Here I am having a Mega Drive link which I have got from our Udemy Making website. So let's copy it. Just right click on it, click on copy. Let's open that link here on the browser. So here the link is now open, and you need to either log in. If you are already having an account, then click on login and you can log in, or otherwise you can create a new account by clicking on a create account button. And here you need to fill the first name, last name, email, password, and you just need to sign up and create an account. And then they will ask you to verify your email. And after you will verify your email, then you will be able to log in to your account. As I am already having my account, so I am now going to open my logged in account. So here I am having my account which is already logged in here, and see here in my account I have got 25 GB of storage. So I can store or copy files up to 25 GB. So we have to keep in mind that whatever file which we are going to copy from the link, it should not exceed the limit of your Mega Drive account. While you are creating a new Mega Drive account, you will be getting around 25 GB or maybe sometimes around 35 GB as per the offer is going on the Mega Drive. And currently I am having 25 GB. So let's open the link which I was having. The link is opened. We are having all the files here, uh, and currently in my Mega Drive account, see here I don't have any kind of folders stored here. I just already have a simple LinkedIn folder and nothing else here. Now this is the files which we want to copy to our own drive account. So what we need to do here is that just you will be able to see that here there is a button of import to my cloud drive. So with the help of this button, we will be able to copy all the files to our own Mega Drive account. Here there is an option to download as a zip also. So if you want to download the files, then you can click on the download as zip. But we don't want to download it. We just want to import it on our own cloud account. So for that, just click on import my cloud drive, and here it's started. So here it is giving an option to select that on which folder we want to store it. If you will not select any subfolder, then you just click on import. It will be stored in your default directory. So I am going to store it in our default directory. Also you can create a new folder also by clicking on the new folder button, but I am going to create it on our homepage. So just clicking on import. So after clicking on import, it will start creating a backup. So it's see now the file got all the files got copied here. It was around 13.95 GB. It got copied to our own drive account. Now this is our own copy. If this link which we have got from our website, if it's even if it's get deleted, then also we will be having our backup of this file, because it's now on our own drive account. Here we can double click on it and we can see that all the files are here which got copied. So here these are the videos which were there inside that files. So let's check our Mega Drive storage. See, earlier it was totally free, 25 GB, but now 13.98 GB got used. So we are left with only 44% of storage. 13.98 GB got used now. So this is the way we can copy all the files which we are getting from a Mega Drive link. So whatever link you will be getting, just you need to click on this import to my cloud drive. Here let's zoom in. So this is the button, import to my cloud drive. You just need to click on this import to my cloud drive account, and you just need to click on the folder which you want to copy, or on which you want to copy, and just click on import. That's a simple thing. By doing so, all the files which will be there in the cloud account, the cloud link, it will be getting copied to your own drive account, and this file will not be getting deleted by anyone because it's your own copy. If you want to share it to someone, then you just need to right click on the folder. You just need to get link button. If you will click on get link, then it will generate a link of yours. See here, they have given us you a link. You just need to copy. This link is different than the link which you have got earlier. This is the link of someone who has also shared with you.